Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
Hi guys, today's video is going to be a short one. We are heading to Mall of the Emirates. As the title suggests, we are going to be trying the Cheesecake Factory for the first time. There is a metro station that is connected to the mall, so it's quite convenient to use a public transportation. I have made a video covering Mall of the Emirates in general before. You can check that one out. Now, the Cheesecake Factory is located nearby Ski Dubai, so it's not that hard to find. As you can see, the restaurant was full, so we had to drop our name and contact for them to get back to us once our table is ready. While waiting, I was checking out all the cheesecakes that are available for us to order later on.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention when you say you love me.
We finally got our table, but because there were only two of us, so we got a smaller table. It was a little cramped, so it's not that comfortable for us to film because the table next to us was quite close. This is the menu. You can pause to look at the item list and also the price.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's every day.
The complimentary bread and butter.
Of hearing your voice every morning, I wake to a kiss on my face. So I don't need too much, just your simple love and it's everything. Can't imagine living life.
We asked for everything to be served at the same time, so this is our dessert, which is the mango key lime cheesecake.
How far we go, don't you know that?
This is fried macaroni and cheese over creamy marinara sauce.
Just need your company.
And the last item on our order is this Louisiana chicken pasta. We got everything in the standard portion instead of smaller lunch portion because we're sharing everything between the two of us. The fried mac and cheese was so creamy, I'm salivating while editing this video right now.
Is a luxury, oh so sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the best.
I'm so glad that none of what we ordered tastes bland. Everything was perfectly seasoned. We truly overestimated our ability to finish the pasta, so we ended up bringing half of it home, including most of the cheesecake. We each took a bite before the waiter took it to pack. Overall, I gave the taste and experience an 8 out of 10. It is on the pricier end based on our spending ability, but we will definitely come again during special occasion. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I post. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Your voice leading the choir to sing. If you don't mind me asking to be heard, my heart beats with yours, so you can take me on. I'm falling deep, it won't take long. So breathe the energy with a bit of Hennessy. We want skies and autumn leaves. Take all the chances that we need. I've been driving too long, it's out of control. If only